Hello friends, today we're going to discuss about tokens of Python. So what are the tokens or elements of Python? The smallest individual unit of a program are known as what are elements or tokens in Python. So operator are one of the tokens, that is what are the arithmetic operators, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, that is true division, floor division, modular division, assignment operator. So these are the assignment operators available in Python, and there's the relational operators. It is greater than, equals, less than, equals to, equality, not equality. So they're the logical operators, that is AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator. So what is AND operator? You know, in AND operator, if all expressions are true, then only the result is true. Otherwise, the result is false. But in case of OR operator, if any one expression is true, then the result is true. In case of NOT operator, it converts a true value into false and a false value into true. Now your exponentiation operator is used to find out the power results. Means 2 to the power 5, that is how much? That is 32. 32 gets 2 inside x. Now x means 32 gets printed. Now concatenate operator. Now MSG equals to hello concatenate world. Now your hello string is concatenated, means joined with world string, and that is hello world string. It's to insert where? MSG variable. Then there are the delimiters available in Python. Your whatever symbols, that is opening square bracket, closing square bracket, opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket, opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis, etc. So there are the comment lines. What are comment lines? Comment lines are used to increase the understandability of a program. Two types of comment lines are available in Python, that is single line comment and multi-line comment. Single line comment starts with hash symbol. A multi-line comment starts with either that is triple single quote or triple double quote, and ends with triple single quote or triple double quote. Then input output in Python. First one is print function. So what is print function? Print function, it is a predefined function and is used to print some message or output in Python. So this is the syntax, that is print your message, then comma, then variable or expression. For example, that is print welcome to Python. Now print square is a into a. Now print addition results equals to, that is C. Now input function. Input is a predefined function and is used to read input from keyboard during runtime. So by default the input function takes input in string format. Now the syntax, that is variable name equals to input your message. Then the example, that is name equals to input enter name, age equals to int input enter age, mark equals to float input enter mark. So here int function is used because whatever age you are inputting or reading from keyboard, that is stored in string form. So to convert from string form to integer form, you have to use int function. Like that, when entering mark is a float type, but by default it takes in string form. So if you want to convert string to float type, then you have to use a float function. So that's it. Thank you.